This year's WWE Royal Rumble is done and dusted, and fans are now waiting for the grandest stage of them all, WrestleMania 41. With fans excited to see what Jey Uso and Charlotte Flair will be doing at WrestleMania 41, in this video we'll take a look at every single Royal Rumble winner in WWE history and what happened with them at that particular year's WrestleMania. So let's start off all the way back to 1988 when the very first Royal Rumble was presented by WWE. Hacksaw Jim Duggan won the very first Royal Rumble match in 1988. At that year's WrestleMania, he lost to Ted DiBiase in the first round match of the WWE title tournament. In 1989, Big John Studd won the Royal Rumble match. At WrestleMania 5, he was the special guest referee for a singles match between Jake the Snake Roberts and Andre the Giant. Royal Rumble 1990. Hulk Hogan was the winner this time around. At WrestleMania, he lost a champion versus champion match to the Ultimate Warrior and thus lost the WWE Championship. The 1991 WWE Royal Rumble match was again won by Hulk Hogan. At WrestleMania 7, he defeated Sergeant Slaughter for the WWE Championship in the main event. The 1992 Royal Rumble match was won by Ric Flair. The match was held for the WWE title. At WrestleMania 8, Ric Flair lost a WWE Championship match to Randy Macho Man Savage. Yokozuna won the 1993 Royal Rumble match. At WrestleMania 9, he defeated Bret Hart to win the WWE Championship. But mere minutes later, he lost the WWE title to Hulk Hogan. Royal Rumble 1994 had two winners, Lex Luger and Bret Hart. Lex Luger lost a WWE title match to Yokozuna at WrestleMania 10, and in the main event, Bret Hart defeated Yokozuna to win the WWE Championship. In 1995, Shawn Michaels won the Royal Rumble match. He lost a WWE title match to Diesel at WrestleMania 11. A year later, in 1996, Shawn Michaels won the Royal Rumble match once again and defeated Bret Hart in an Iron Man match to win the WWE Championship in the main event of WrestleMania 12. 1997, Stone Cold Steve Austin won his first Royal Rumble match and at WrestleMania lost a submission match to Bret Hart. Austin won the 1998 Royal Rumble match as well, and at WrestleMania that year, WrestleMania 14, he defeated Shawn Michaels to win the WWE Championship. The Mr. McMahon character won the 1999 Royal Rumble match. Since he was an authority figure, he didn't compete in the main event of WrestleMania, but he did interfere in the main event, pitting Stone Cold and The Rock, and tried to do his best to make sure Stone Cold didn't win the match. Austin ended up defeating The Rock to win the WWE Championship. The Rock won the 2000 Royal Rumble match. At WrestleMania, in the main event, he competed in an elimination fatal 4-way WWE Championship match and in the end lost to Triple H. Stone Cold Steve Austin won his third Royal Rumble match in 2001. At WrestleMania 17, he defeated The Rock to win the WWE Championship and turned heel in the process by joining forces with Vince McMahon. A returning Triple H won the 2002 Royal Rumble match. At WrestleMania, he took on Chris Jericho in the main event and won the undisputed WWE Championship. Brock Lesnar won the 2003 Royal Rumble match and at WrestleMania defeated Kurt Angle to win his WWE Championship. Chris Benoit was the winner of the 2004 Royal Rumble match. At WrestleMania, he defeated Shawn Michaels and Triple H in the main event to win the World Heavyweight Championship. The 2005 Royal Rumble match was won by Batista. He went on to defeat Triple H in the main event of WrestleMania 21 to become the new World Heavyweight Champion. The 2006 Royal Rumble match was won by Rey Mysterio, who didn't compete in the main event of WrestleMania 22 but did win the World Heavyweight Championship by defeating Kurt Angle and Randy Orton. The 2007 Royal Rumble match was won by The Undertaker. He went on to defeat Batista at WrestleMania 23 to win the World Heavyweight Championship. Surprise entrant John Cena won the 2008 Royal Rumble match. At WrestleMania 24, Randy Orton defeated Cena and Triple H in a triple threat match to retain the WWE Championship. Royal Rumble 2009. Randy Orton won the match, but in the main event of WrestleMania 25, failed to defeat Triple H for the WWE Championship. A returning Edge won the 2010 Royal Rumble match. At WrestleMania that year, he took on Chris Jericho for the World Heavyweight Championship but failed to defeat Jericho for the title. In 2011, Alberto Del Rio won the only 40-man Royal Rumble match. At WrestleMania, he took on Edge in a World Heavyweight title match but failed to defeat him. Sheamus won the 2012 Royal Rumble match. At WrestleMania 28, he made quick work of Daniel Bryan and defeated him for the World Heavyweight title. John Cena won his second Royal Rumble match in 2013. In the main event of WrestleMania 29, he defeated Rock to win the WWE Championship. Batista won the 2014 Royal Rumble match. In the main event of WrestleMania 30, Daniel Bryan tapped him out to win the WWE World Heavyweight title from Randy Orton. Roman Reigns won the 2015 Royal Rumble match. At WrestleMania, he took on Brock Lesnar for the WWE World Heavyweight title, but Seth Rollins cashed in his Money in the Bank briefcase to make it a triple threat match and won the belt when all was said and done. Surprise entrant Triple H won the 2016 Royal Rumble match. At WrestleMania, he defended the top title against Roman Reigns and ended up losing the belt to the big dog. Randy Orton won his second Royal Rumble in 2017. At WrestleMania, he defeated Bray Wyatt to win the WWE Championship. 2018 was the first time the Women's Royal Rumble was introduced. That year, Asuka won the very first Women's Royal Rumble match. Shinsuke Nakamura won the Men's Royal Rumble match. At WrestleMania, Asuka lost to Charlotte Flair in a SmackDown Women's Championship match, and thus her undefeated streak came to an end. Shinsuke Nakamura lost a WWE title match to AJ Styles and turned heel by hitting him with a low blow after the match. Becky Lynch replaced an injured Lana in the 2019 Women's Royal Rumble match. She ended up winning the match, and at WrestleMania, in the very first women's main event in WrestleMania history, she defeated Ronda Rousey and Charlotte Flair to become a double women's champion. That year, Seth Rollins won the Men's Royal Rumble match. In the opening match of WrestleMania 35, Seth Rollins defeated Brock Lesnar to become the new Universal Champion. Charlotte Flair and Drew McIntyre were the winners of the 2020 Women's and Men's Royal Rumble match. At WrestleMania, Charlotte defeated Rhea Ripley to become the new NXT Women's Champion, and Drew McIntyre defeated Brock Lesnar to become the new WWE Champion. Bianca Belair and Edge were the winners of the 2021 Royal Rumble matches. At WrestleMania, Bianca Belair defeated Sasha Banks to become the new SmackDown Women's Champion. On the other hand, Edge and Daniel Bryan lost a Universal title triple threat match to Roman Reigns. A returning Ronda Rousey and Brock Lesnar won the 2022 Women's and Men's Royal Rumble matches. At WrestleMania, Ronda Rousey lost a SmackDown Women's title match to Charlotte Flair. Brock Lesnar lost the WWE Championship to Roman Reigns in the main event of that year's WrestleMania. Rhea Ripley and Cody Rhodes were the winners of the Royal Rumble matches in 2023. Rhea Ripley went on to defeat Charlotte Flair to win the SmackDown Women's title. Cody Rhodes failed to defeat Roman Reigns for the undisputed WWE Universal title in the main event. And finally, the winners of the 2024 Women's and Men's Royal Rumble matches were Bayley and Cody Rhodes. Bayley went on to win the WWE Women's Championship from Io Sky at WrestleMania 40. Cody Rhodes finally finished his story and defeated Roman Reigns in the main event of WrestleMania 40 to become the new undisputed WWE Champion. And now, this year, we have Charlotte Flair and Jey Uso as the winners of the 2025 Royal Rumble matches. Let me know in the comments below what will happen to Jey Uso and Charlotte Flair at WrestleMania 41. Will they manage to defeat Gunther and Tiffany Stratton respectively to win championships at the Show of Shows? Let me know in the comments below.